Your home is your home and it belongs to you. You are a man, you're listening to me. You are bound to take care of your home. You are a woman, you are listening to me. Your home is in your hands. You are bound to take care of your home. Take a decision today. It does not matter what is happening in your family. It does not matter what has happened to your foundation. You are bound to enjoy your relationship. And so far you have married. If you're not married, I want you to have this consciousness within you that your marriage is going to be heaven on earth and you will enjoy it. No matter what's going on, your focus is I am going to enjoy my marriage. Deal with your heart, speak to yourself, and walk according to it. Walk according to what you are telling yourself every day, and you will see. You will begin to see yourself walking in line with what you are doing, and you come out of it. Hi everyone, you're welcome to Just Joke Solution Relationship, Career and Lifestyle. I love you with all my heart. Thank you for being there for me. And if you're joining us for the first time, you are also welcome. In fact, I'm giving you a hug. Have you been thinking why you are not enjoying that relationship? Or you feel you're tired and the next thing for you is to step out of the relationship? Please, before you step out, I think I have a word for you. Shall we? Let's go. Hello out there, my name is Joke Eyoyi and you're all doing, we're all doing fine. Why are you not enjoying this relationship? At the end of this video, I'm going to show you one key, just one key to overcome everything. And by the time you practice this key, I think you will thank me later. Or you buy me a bottle of Coke. So you're welcome once again. Do you know that relationship is not all about sex? So many people base their relationship on sex. It's fine. Sex is good. Sex is fantastic. Oh, it's very sweet. Very, very sweet. But I want to let you know today that relationship is more than sex. Marriage is more than sex. So, relationship is one thing that everybody needs in life. But I need relationship. You need relationship. It comes about that I am not enjoying my relationship. Something is wrong somewhere. Relationship is more of love, care, understanding, feelings, and responsibilities. If all this is lacking in your relationship, you are not in a relationship. So I want to ask you, are you really in relationship? The first thing why you are not enjoying that relationship, why you are feeling so low, is that you have very low self-esteem. You feeling neglected, you feeling rejected, your feeling is telling you that you are not up to standard. And what do? Deals with your feelings. Your feelings has a lot to affect your relationship. Your feelings has a lot to affect your home. What are your feelings today? When you have low self-esteem, you will not be able to move ahead. You will be feeling that you are not competent enough. You are not competent to be the man, to be the woman by the side. No. So the first thing you will do is you deal with your low self-esteem. And how do you deal with it? You talk to yourself. You speak to your spirit that you are capable, that you cannot be low. Second reason why you are not enjoying that relationship is because you neglect priorities. There are so many priorities things in relationship. In marriage, let me use that word. In marriage, you cannot neglect care. You can't neglect love. You cannot neglect responsibilities, which is the most important key in relationship. All these things, they are priorities. When you neglect it, then your spouse will not enjoy you. And there will be chaos in the house. Handling priorities is one of the reasons why you are not enjoying that relationship. If you have not been handling priorities today, Relationship cannot just come and go like that. Relationship is not by mouth. Relationship is hard working. It's responsibilities. And that's why they say before you step into marriage, make sure you mature to handle responsibilities. The third reason why you are not enjoying that relationship is your mental. Your mental, dealing with your heart. When we're talking of mental, you dealing, what are the things that is going on in your heart? When you see couples along your side, in your area, what are the things going on? You begin to feel, why am I not in this kind of home? Why is it not happening to me? Everybody makes his or her home work. Those people you are looking at there, they have their own issues. You don't need to look at anybody. Only let the word of God be your standard, and quality advice be your standard. You don't look at people outside there to live life. If negative things is going on in your heart, those negative things, when it grows in your heart, it will affect your heart, and you'll be looking at your spouse. That is an error for you to marry him or her. So dealing with your heart is one of the reasons why you are not enjoying the relationship. You need to deal with your heart positively. Another thing, you'll be feeling that you are in the wrong relationship, feeling that you have married the wrong person. Dear, nobody can make this relationship to work except you. And you've got to start from now, because your relationship has to work. Your marriage must work. Nobody is coming from outside to come and make your home for you. They said, as you make your bed, you lie on it. Your home has come to stay, and you have to make it to work. You build it yourself. As a man in the house, you build your home. As a woman in the house, you build your home. Stop looking at those people outside there. You don't know what they are passing through, and you don't know what they have done to build their home. Stop thinking of the past. Stop thinking of the past errors. It all depends on you. One of the reasons why you are not enjoying the relationship is because you're feeling so lonely. You're married, you're lonely. You are not married, you're lonely. Before I move out of this place, what are your emotions? What are the things that goes on in your heart? And when those things comes into your heart, how do you handle them? How do you handle those things that you think in the night, in the day? How do you handle it? What are your emotions? The first thing I want you to do is just relax. Believe that God has put you into that relationship and is able to see you through. Feel at home. Feel that you are in your home. Feel that you are the best, and you will have the best. And one of the key that I said I'm going to show you at the end of this video is doing things together. Don't, as a couple, don't do things alone again. Do things together. Always do things together. Always being together. After he has gone to work, comes back. She has gone to work, comes back. Be together, stay together, chat together, be like baby, and you see that things will begin to work out well for you. Relationship is to enjoy and not to endure. You don't have another time to bring back the yesterday. You have only today. And with the way I used to say it in this house, you are bound to enjoy your relationship. You cannot endure it. You cannot manage it. How many years you want to stay in this life that you begin to endure marriage, and everything boils down on you? You have a lot of parts to play. Nobody is coming to come and amend your home for you. I hope I've dropped a point in your heart. If truly you are blessed, why not consider to subscribe to this channel? Why not give me a thumbs up? Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.